The 23rd of July.
Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up at 7:30 a.m. and I had to do some PYQs of chapter number 3, which is pair of linear equation in two variables. So I'm thinking to take a break right now, in which I would like to do, I want to make something out of this, and I'm thinking to make a napkin dispenser. Okay, I hope that it is called that only. So here I have made it already. I have this box and I'm thinking to make a napkin dispenser out of it. I hope that it is called that only. Halfway there, and I'm thinking to use some water to remove it. You must ask that how is it completely gone? Well, the answer is I used an old brush to scrub it off with little water. Okay, I just wanted to remove it because it's so annoying. So I marked it and now I just gotta cut it. Okay, just wait up. Let me take it out. Aww, it's so cute. It is probably a startup business because they provide freebies and cute notes. I love it. Here I have few napkins, so I'll show you how to fold them. So firstly you have to fold one napkin like this, okay? And now take another napkin and put it in between of the first napkin and then just fold it, and like this you just have to repeat the process. Put another napkin, fold it, then put another napkin and then fold it. Just repeat the process. Now insert all of them. Okay, again the moment of truth. Yay! Now can you... Hey you guys, so it's currently 3:15 p.m. and guess what, I have completed my revision successfully. So you will ask what I did in revision. So nothing, I just solved the questions which are important, which I had marked them, okay, the important questions. So I solved it, and also I did the basics questions too. I just saw that how is it is done, and I just revised it in my mind, because sometimes in exams I just forget the basics. Don't know why. Like for example, I was giving my English exam one day and I forgot the spelling of tomorrow. It's not like I don't know the meaning or spelling of something, I just forget it because we are just too much under pressure. So I also made this formula sheet, okay, in which I have written all the important things, like all the formulas and all the basics of that chapter. So I will revise it tomorrow morning too, before going to school, okay. Hey yo, welcome back. So today is 24th of July. In the evening, I had my first exam of class 10th today, PT1, okay. And I want to tell you something good about this paper and something bad. Okay, so firstly the bad thing. The bad thing is that I couldn't complete all the questions. And the good thing is that I at least knew how to solve it, because many times whenever whenever my marks is cut, I must not know how to solve it, or there must have been a mistake. But this time I at least knew it, but because of time, I couldn't manage my time. That's why I couldn't complete all the questions. So yeah, let's discuss it with me. So if you guys do have your PTs going on, so it will be helpful for you. By the way, according to me, this paper was just like average. I thought at the first look that OMG, I could get 40 marks, okay. 38 at least. So yeah, let's discuss it at least. The good thing, also one more thing, that इसके marks जो है ना आपके result में जुड़ते नहीं है. So ये बस आपकी practice के लिए. Love it. So 40 marks का था paper. Okay. Firstly comes the MCQs. There are 6 MCQs here. इस वाले क्वेश्चन में it was given what is the value of A and the value ऑफ LCM कि LCM क्या है दे रखा था आपको, बस बेसिकली इस वाले फॉर्मूले को यूज़ करना था, LCM इंटू HCF इज इक्वल टू A into B. Okay, you have to use this formula, and the answer was 45 minutes, and it's correct. Second one, I use the substitution method to solve it. You know, x and y की value फिर आ गई. Okay, and it is also correct. And in third one, the common difference is given. Okay, and the seventh term is 4. Okay, so I use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and I was easily able to get the answer, and it was again correct. Now here comes this question, a little bit, you know, not tricky, but you know, a little bit mind game use होना था इसमें. So but I didn't have time, you know, I had you know left this question for last, and I didn't have time, so you know I was just putting these values in the A's place, and when I put the value of minus 24 OMG. Okay, so basically I did a little bit of cheating here, but okay, that's good. Now assertion and reasoning, this is an AP. Okay, like मैंने common difference निकाल लिया सबका, 5/2 आ रहा था, तो okay, so it is an AP, but the reason is false. Firstly इसका okay, reason is false, so इसका आंसर होगा C, and it is again correct. That assertion is true, reason is false. And now comes again assertion and reasoning. Here polynomials, this is wrong because here it is cubic, and it since it is cubic it should have at most 3 real zeros. Okay, so it is wrong, assertion is wrong. Reason, but reason is correct. Okay, कि by nth degree, nth degree मान लो 3 है आपकी, so it has at most n zeros, so मतलब उसके 3 zeros हो गया at most, so इसका like D होगा option, that assertion is false but reason is true. And first time in my life that I have gotten all of my MCQs correct. Now here comes this was again easy. Okay, but I kind of did something here. मैंने जो है ना सिर्फ 17 को कॉमन ले लिया था, like I didn't even notice that 11 is also in common. So I guess मतलब मेरे कुछ मार्क्स कटेंगे. इसका मैंने कर लिया था, इजली जीरोस आ गए थे, इसको भी मैंने सॉल्व कर लिया था सब्स्टिट्यूशन वगैरह से, फिर y और x की वैल्यू रख के n निकाल लिया था ईजिली. इसका भी मैंने मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट किया था. ओके, देन आई कुड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. इसका व्हाट आई डिड, आई अप्लाइड द फॉर्मूला फर्स्टली an वाला, an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस वाला. ओके, जिसमें मैंने लास्ट टर्म इसकी निकाल ली थी, 994 आ रही थी, उससे मैंने लास्ट टर्म निकाल के उससे वो सॉल्व किया था. ओके, इस वाला को मैंने मिडल टर्म स्प्लिटअप से नहीं किया था, आई गेस मैंने इसको फॉर्मूले से किया था, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला सा, क्योंकि मेरे को दिक्कत हो रही थी मिडल टर्म स्प्लिटअप में. नाउ हियर इसमें like you know I know this question by heart, but you know our teacher was saying that it's only 30 minutes left, 1 hour left, so you know मतलब प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा था, उसकी वजह से पता नहीं क्या हुआ मेरी कैलकुलेशंस गलत हो रही थी, but still I couldn't get the equation right. Okay, but I knew what was the equation. It was x square minus 8x minus 1280. I knew it, so you know like मैंने डायरेक्ट पूरी कैलकुलेशन की भी नहीं, मैं डायरेक्ट इक्वेशन लिख के 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर लिख दिया, तो आई होप मैम को नहीं काटने चाहिए मार्क्स. ये भी बाय हार्ट आता था. इसमें मैंने लास्ट डिजिट निकाल ली थी. ओके, 11 का, जिस विच वॉज आई गेस 990. नाउ कम्स आवर सेक्शन टी. You know, I also knew this question. It is an NCERT question, but I don't know why. Firstly, मेरा 25 और 16 आ रहा था आंसर, कि मतलब या तो 25 लॉग से या तो 16, बट मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था. इसको भी मैंने थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन इसका पार्ट लास्ट के लिए छोड़ रखा था कि 25 और 16 में से कौन सा होगा, मुझे प्रूव करना था. सो मैं नहीं कर पाई, तो मैंने 25 और 16 ऐसे लिख कर आ गया. और पता नहीं जो मैंने फर्स्ट रो का निकाला तो 4 आ रहा था, लेकिन मुझे उसको +1 भी करना था, क्योंकि मुझे n की वैल्यू निकालनी थी, और n पहले से -1 में होता है. तो लाइक बाद में जब n की मुझे वैल्यू थी, मुझे +1 भी तो करना चाहिए था. आप खुद से ऐसे प्लस माइनस नहीं कर सकते हो, है ना, मतलब वैल्यू किसी की घटा नहीं सकते हो. इसलिए बैलेंस करने के लिए मुझे +1 लगाना था, और वो मैं लगाना भूल गई, जस्ट बिकॉज it was all because of pressure, bro. I knew all the questions by heart at least. and I don't know why. Okay, this was the question that I left okay to do in last, but I had to get supplementary sheet for it, and ma'am was saying it that she won't give us, okay, because it's the last 5-7 minutes like this. एंड नाउ कम्स अ केस बेस्ड स्टडी क्वेश्चन. आई हैड डन इट. ओके, मतलब मैंने वाला ऑलरेडी कर रखा है. इसका मेरा आंसर ठीक गया था. ओके, एलसीएम यू हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम एंड द आंसर वाज 288 आई गेस. एंड नाउ द एचसीएफ विल बी 4. ओके, इसमें भी आपको वाला फार्मूला यूज करना है. यू हैव टू एचसीएफ इनटू एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू एबी. एंड नाउ हियर अगेन इट इज सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 similar to question number 1. You have to take LCM. Okay, it was again right, correct. But in question number 4 I knew how to do it, but I don't know, again it was because of pressure, you know. I knew how to do this, I knew how to solve this, you know. many previous year questions में भी इस type के questions कितने solve किए थे, and I knew how to do it, but I don't know why still I got it wrong. I'm so, you know, I'm screaming at myself, you know. How are we, how could you do it? But just leave it be. So yeah, that was my question paper, and I hope I will do great in my PT2s, which will be in September, only 1 month away. Okay, so yeah, I guess what is the moral of this story? Manage your time, okay, in a good way, Arohi. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you, thanks for watching, bye bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.